Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about solutions for friends who get Valorant Riot Vanguard Crash Report error. This error we encountered occurs due to a problem in the Vanguard system developed by Valorant developers and creates the error. The Vanguard system is an application that must be run in the background to prevent cheating software. If it does not run in the background, it will be asked to run the game again by not opening the game to us. Any problem that occurs will bring many errors and will not open the game. For this, we will try to solve the problem by telling you a few suggestions. Our first savior for any error we encounter is to restart the computer. Restarting the computer can prevent errors by refreshing any corrupted cache files. For this, you can try to open the Valorant game again by restarting our computer first. If the problem persists, let's move on to our second suggestion. We recommend disabling any antivirus program you use. The reason for this is that the antivirus program may prevent some functions of the software running in the game from running. For this, we can check if the problem persists by disabling the Windows Defender application. In the Start search screen, type Virus and Threat Protection and open it. Click on the Manage Settings option under the Virus and Threat Protection Settings subheading on the screen that opens. Scroll down and click on Controlled Folder Access under Controlled Folder Access. Then disable the plugin under the Open Controlled Folder Access heading. After this process, let's come back and return to the beginning of the menu. If real-time protection is enabled, disable it and we'll scroll down to the bottom of the menu. Next, let's go to the Exceptions option and click the Add an Exclusion button. Then select the Riot Games folder and save it. After this process, run the Riot client program as an administrator and check if the problem persists. If the problem persists, let's move on to our next suggestion. You may be encountering such errors due to the VGC service. For this, we can reach the solution of the problem by resetting the VGC service. First, let's access the Riot Vanguard file. Double-click the installer file in the folder and say yes to the warning. We can understand that the removal process is finished with the throwing of the folder back. After this process is done, let's run the Riot client application as an administrator and click on the Valorant game to perform the update process. After the Riot Vanguard program is installed on the computer again, restart the computer and check if the problem persists by running the game. If the problem persists, let's try to run the VGH service, which is run in the services state. In the Start search screen, type Services and open it. On the screen that opens, find the VGC service and double-click it. Set and apply Startup type automatically. If the service status says Stopped, click the Start button to start the service. If you encounter incorrect function error while starting the VGC service, you can find information on how to fix this error by clicking the link below the video. If the problem still persists after these steps, type Windows Defender Firewall in the Start search screen and open it. Click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall on the left side of the screen that opens. Then click on Change Settings button and click on Allow another app to follow me carefully and allow security. After performing the whole process, let's click on the OK button and run the Riot Client application as an administrator and check if the problem persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix Valorant Riot Vanguard Crash Report error. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the forum portal and send your questions to the community. By supporting us, we can expand the community. Thank you.